In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to clean the lint filter on a Bush 7 kg vented tumble dryer. It is important to clean the lint filter after each use. If the lint filter is not cleaned, you may find that it takes your clothes longer to dry. This means that you may need to run the dryer for longer, increasing your electricity bill. Firstly, open the tumble dryer door. The lint filter is located at the rear of the drum. Firmly pull the lint filter away from the inside of the tumble dryer. Next, lift away the exhaust filter. Then, lift away the lint filter. Use a soft brush to remove any lint on the filter. Then, use a soft brush to clean the exhaust filter. After you have cleaned both the filters, reassemble the filters by placing the lint filter on the vent shroud. Then, fit the exhaust filter. You can now place the lint filter back in position, ensuring that it is firmly in position. You should also clean the air intake filter regularly. Remove the filter from the front of the tumble dryer. Use a soft brush to remove any lint on the filter. Once clean, refit the filter and reattach it to the tumble dryer. Your Bush tumble dryer is now ready to use.